Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Notion Workspace not showing or missing pages. Here's a ready to read script for your videos. First of all, check your Workspace switcher. Tap on the top left Workspace icon in your Notion. Your missing workspace might just be hidden over there. Pull down on any page to force a sync. Sometimes pages don't load automatically. Log out and log back in with the same email, Google or Apple ID that you had used. This reconnects your account to the iCloud. After that, update or reinstall your app. Go ahead and search for Notion in the App Store and see if there is an update button available. If there is, update your app to the latest version. Privacy tip: only log in to in your trusted devices to avoid workspace sync issues. Quick fix: open Notion.so in Safari to access your workspace while app syncs. Restart your iPhone if the pages still don't appear, and that's it. Subscribe for more faster Notion fixes.